right, now we're in the embroidery room where we can see we're doing some flats and even some hats at the same time. What do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? No, 6. I can't count. 2 head and 2 singles. So whether it's hundreds or a couple one-offs, you guys do it all.
We started off with 1 single machine, then we went to a double machine, and then another single machine, and it got to a point that we were, getting requests of orders of hundreds of items per logo, and it just came to a point that we had to get these 6 headers, and now we literally have 20 heads that we're able to work with. On a retail level, we have the single heads and double headers that make it nice and easy, and on the larger orders, we have the larger 6 headers. Where Deco comes into play over here is they're definitely able to angle, per order for us, exactly the amounts per order, and we can just download the embroidery file, and it goes directly to the machine. It is actually, a very neat feature, and it's great.
And little things, like if you aren't he's using magnetic hoops for all of the flat items. Work smart, then hard. Something as simple as that makes life a lot easier on your employees. It makes you more efficient. Sometimes things cost a lot up front, but it makes you more efficient. And again, when we walk throughout this building, we're never confined, and we're never having to do anything crazy. You said it took several works with the architect to get this exactly the way you needed it to be. And are you pretty happy with the results?
Yeah, I'm thrilled. There's actually, out of this entire 10,000 plus square foot building, there was one issue with the architect that the 6 headers were actually angled to come through that doorway. And actually, when it came to actually bringing it in, the funny story, it didn't work. And my wife's screaming at me, numbers don't always add up. I'm like, numbers always add up, but someone messed up with the numbers. And actually, we had to shave down the wall by like 6 inches in order to get these machines in, but that was the only issue.